To measure the baby?
Huh?
That's to measure the baby?
No. To measure if the uterus is growing.
Oh.
And that means the baby must be growing too. Otherwise, uterus will not grow. If the baby is not growing.
Right.
So it's more or less to measure the baby, you know. But that doesn't mean that we know what the weight is. The baby is healthy and is growing. That's all. You're pregnant too. Did you see? Did you hear? Are you recording it? We lost it, okay. But we heard the heartbeat, huh?